when probability of success, when it is very, very small, then only we can use the Poisson distribution. E to the power of minus 2, m is 2, 2 to the x is also 2 divided by 2 factorial. This is a constant. Slowly you have to understand. Then it is easy for you for calculation. What's the mean? What's the mean is equal to sigma fx over n is called mean. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyashram First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Statistics for Management 2, 6th semester, Unit 5, Session 4 in favor of BBA. Today we are discussing theoretical distribution in favor of Poisson distribution. It is used when the probability of success of an event is very small. Example, number of deaths occurring in a city. How many deaths occurs in a city in a day? They are going to calculate. So we use the word called Poisson distribution. Road accident in a city in a week. In a road accident take. In a week, how many road accident take? In a month, how many accident goes? In a year, what's the total we have got? Then, incoming telephone calls at an exchange in 1 minute. How many telephone calls we are going to receive at 1 minute? That we are going to calculate under Poisson distribution. The formula is p to the power of x is equal to e to the power of minus m to the power of x divided by x factorial, where m is equal to mean. Some author they say as a lambda. So instead of mean, they say lambda. Lambda and mean is one and the same. This e to the power of minus m is called constant in mathematics and statistics. We have to calculate the m and calculate the n. What is the procedure? I will tell you. When you are doing the problem, I will help you. But in your books, no, we have got a value for e to the power of m. When you are solving the problem, I will explain what's the value for e to the power of m, where m is equal to mean or lambda. So it is used when probability of success, when it is very, very small, then only we can use the Poisson distribution. Number of deaths occurring in a city in a day. How many deaths occurs in a city in a day, in a week, in a month, in a year? How much will be? Road accident in a city in a week. Incoming telephone calls at an exchange in 1 minute. How many numbers will come? That will be counted 1 minute. In a year, in a day, in a year, how many telephone calls? That all comes under Poisson distribution. The formula is p of x is equal to e to the power of minus m to the power of x divided by x factorial. So regarding this e to the power of my value, that can be seen in the books. No, the value will be given. We'll move on to first problem. This is the area where we cover under the Poisson distributions. First one. A typist makes 2 mistakes on average. Find the probability that a page of type. So a typist makes 2 mistakes on average means mean. Mean. 2 mistakes, at the most 2 mistakes. So we have to find out what's the mean 2. You have to find out the value of e to the power of minus 2. You have to refer the book. In the books, no, they will key what is the e to the power of minus 2. As per the table, we will give a separate table for Poisson distribution. As per the table, e to the power of minus 2 is equal to 0.1353. If in the examination, if they give the value, it's okay, no problem at all. If they're not given the problem, no, we'll supply a table called Poisson distribution. You have to see that e to the power of minus 2, what's the value? So as per the table, this is as per table. .1353. So what is the first one? P of x is equal to e to the power of minus m to the power of x divided by x factorial. What's the 2 mistake? This is p of 2 is equal to e to the power of, what's the average? M is e to the power of minus 2, 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial. This is a formula you have to use. Slowly you have to use the formula. Mean is 2, e to the power of minus 2, m is 2, 2 to the x is also 2 divided by 2 factorial. What is e to the power of minus 2? 0.1353. 2 square is 4. 2 into 1. This is 2. Simplify. 0.1353. 2 2s are 4 multiplied by 2. This is 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 0.27, not 6. Here is the value 0.27, not 6 is there. So it's exactly 2 is there, no? I will apply the formula. So regarding this e to the power of minus, which is a constant that can be taken from the Poisson distribution table. As per the table, the value is 0.1353. M means 2, 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial. Next, this is a table we have got. We have got second one, at the most 2 mistakes. At the most 2 mistakes. The maximum mistakes is 2. At the most. At the most 2 mistakes. This is P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. That means the maximum mistakes is only 2. Apply e to the power of minus 2, 2 to the power of 0 divided by 0 factorial. When it is 0, 1. E to the power of minus 2, 2 to the power of 1 divided by 1 factorial. When is 2, e to the power of minus 2, 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial. You can understand when m is equal to 0, first is 0, e to the power of minus 2, 2 to the power of 0 divided by 0 factorial, e to the power of minus 2, 2 to the power of 1 divided by 1 factorial. Next, e to the power of minus 2, 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial. So, you take out the e to the power of 2 outside. 2 to the power of 0 is 1. This is e to the power of minus 2 I have taken. What is it? 2. Then 2 square is 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that is, what is e to the power of minus m as per the table? 0.1353. 0.1353. How many numbers are there? 5. 0.1353. 0.1353 into 5. 0.6765. I will repeat. At the most, the maximum is 2 mistake. P of 0, P of 1 plus P of 2, e to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 0 divided by 0 factorial, e to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 1 divided by 1 factorial, e to the power of minus 2, 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial. You take out the e to the power of minus 2 outside. So, anything to the power of 0 is 1. 2 to the power of is 2. Then 2 to the power of 4 divided by 2 is 2. 5 will come. What is e to the power of minus 2 as per the table? 0.1353 multiplied by 5. So, this is the first question. Hope you understand. If you want, I will explain also. So, first formula is, this formula you have to remember, e to the power of minus m m is called mean, lambda. Somebody call this as lambda. So, they will find out the mean. Then, we'll go to next question. An average, a telephone operator receives 3 telephone calls per 5 minutes. Find the probability that in a particular 5 minutes interval does not receive any call, receive more than 3 calls. So, not more than 3 calls. What's your average telephone? 3 calls. So, average is equal to mean is equal to 3. So, you have to find out the value for e to the power of minus 3. As per the table, what is e to the power of minus 3? E to the power of minus 3 is 0. E to the power of 0.0498. As per your table, it is 0.0498. So this is, you can get in the examination, if they give like this, no problem at all. For e to the power of mean is 0.0498. What is the first one? Does not receive any call. Means P of 0. What's your formula? E to the power of minus m, m to the power of x divided by x factorial. E to the power of minus 3, 3 to the power of 0 divided by 0 factorial. What is e to the power of minus 3? 0.0498. Anything to the power of 0 is 1 divided by 1. So probability of the 0 is nothing but 0.0498 is your answer. As per this. Hope you understand. Here, does not receive any call means 0. So, receive more than 3 calls. We do not know how many calls are there. Receive more than 3 calls is there. So, receive then more than 3 calls. No, we do not know how much they made calls are there. So, what the in statistics they know, when you have like this, we do not know how many calls come. Then we have go back to a 1 minus P of 1, 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3. Because the maximum is the not more than 3, P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3. Receives more than 3 calls. Receives more than 3 calls. So, how many calls we don't know after 3? So, what we go in the statistics know, this way we can do 1 minus, not more than 1 minus P of 0, P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3. So, this you have to understand. So, not more than 3, you have to write that P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3. So, apply. Now, 1 minus P of 0. What's your mean? Your mean is 3. E to the power of minus 3, 3 to the power of 0 divided by 0 factorial, 1. E to the power of minus 3, 3 to the power of 1 divided by 1 factorial, e to the power of minus 3, 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 factorial, this is 2 factorial, plus e to the power of 3, e to the power of minus 3, 3 to the power of 3 divided by 3 factorial. This is x. First one, e to the power of minus 3, 3 to the power of 0, 0 factorial, e to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 1 divided by 1 factorial, e to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial, e to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 3 divided by 3 factorial. So, 1 minus, you take out e to the power of 3 outside. What is 3 to the power of 0 is 1. 3 to the power of 1 is 1. So, this is 3 square 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. So, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 divided by 6. 27 divided by 6, 4.5. This is how it is, no? This remain constant. I take out this. So, 3 to the power of 0 is 1. 3 to the power of 1 is 1. 3 square is 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. This is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3, 27. 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. Will come 4.5. Now, 1 minus e to the power of minus 3. So, 1, this is 4.5, 9 plus 10, 11. Then is equal to 1 minus, what is e to the power of 3? What is e to the power of minus 3? 0.0498. So, 4.5, 4.59 plus 10 plus 11. Totally, we have got 11 figures are there. This is 3. 3 to the power of 1 is 3. Sorry, 3 to the power of 0 is 1. 3 to the power of 1 is 3. 4.5, 4.5, 9 plus 12, 13. It becomes 13. So 1, 3, 4.5, 4 minus 13. So it is 1 minus 0.498 is to 13. This is 1 minus 0.0498 into 13, 0.6474. 0.6474. Deduct 1 minus 0.6474. So probability is equal to 0.3526. Understand this? 3 to the power of 1 is 3. 3 square 6 divided by 4.5, 4.5. So 9 plus 12 plus 1, this is 13. 13, e to the power of minus 13. So 1.0498 into 13, 0.6476. We will deduct now 1 minus, it will 0.3526. Hope you understand this point. On average, the number of defective items in a box is 4. If there are 100 such boxes, in how many of them would you expect one defective? So, an average means mean. E to the power of minus 4. We see the books now. What's the even an average? E to the power of minus 4 will be 0.0183. As per the table, it is 0.0183. As per the table, 0.183. What is the first one? One defective. P of 1. What is your formula? E to the power of minus m, m to the power of x divided by x factorial. This is your regular formula. Then you apply now. What is your m? 4. E to the power of minus 4, 4 to the power of 1 divided by 4. This is 4 to the power of 1. This is by 1 factorial. What is e to the power of minus 4? 0.0183. So then 4 to the power of 1 is nothing but 4 to the power of 1 is 4. 1 factorial is 1. Multiply 0.0183 into 4. 0.0732. 0.0732. So here now, how many boxes are there? How many would you expect? 100 boxes are there. Therefore, 100 into 0.0732, 0.0732 into 100, 7.32. Say 7 boxes. 7 boxes. Hope. Then, next question goes, at least 2 defective boxes. At least two defective boxes are there. At least means not less than 1 minus p of at least 2. Not at most. This is at least 2. At least 2 means 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1. Don't take 3. At least 2 means less than 2. At most 3 means you have to take the 3. At least 2 means 1 minus p of 0. That is a p of 1 only. So 1 minus e to the power of minus m, m to the power of 0 divided by 0 factorial, e to the power of minus m, m to the power of 1 divided by 1 factorial. This is 1 minus. What is the e to the power of minus m is e to the power of minus 4. 4 to the power of 0 divided by 0 factorial. E to the power of minus 4. 4 to the power of 1 divided by 1 factorial. So you take out 1 minus e to the power of minus 4. 4 to the power of 0 is 1 factorial. 4 to the power of 1 is 4. This is 1. What is e to the power of minus 4? 0.0183. 0.0183 into 5. 0.0183 into 5 is considered. Multiply that. 0.0183. 0.0183 into 5. So 1 minus 0.0915. 1 minus 0.0915. This is 0.9085. 0.9085. Number of boxes. 100 into 0.9085. 0.9085 into 100. 90.85. Say 91 boxes. Say 91 boxes we can have it. Hope you understand. This is a constant. Slowly you have to understand. Then it is easy for you for calculation. I solved about 3 problems. Fourth problem. PD 3 into PT. Here no. The last question goes no. PD into 3.3 PT. This is 3 into e to the power of minus m, m to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial is equal to P4 left over. E into P2 is equal to P4. Find ST. That is left over. 3 into P of T is equal to P of 4. P of 4 is equal to e to the power of minus m, m to the power of 4 divided by 4 factorial. The problem is 3 into PD, 3 is equal to P of 4. Find ST. So 3 into e to the power of minus 3, m to the power of 2, P is 2, this is 2. M to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial, e to the power of minus m to the power of 4 into 4 factorial. So it is P to the power of 4. Then 3 into, so cancel e to the power of minus capital e to the power of m2. Here m2 is there now. Here 1s are. So 3 divided by, this is 1 divided. So here cancelled out. This become m2. So 1 divided by 3 divided by 2 is equal to m2 divided by 4 factorial. This is 3 divided by 2 m2. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 by 2 is equal to m square. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Cross multiply. This is 2m square. So 24 into 3 is 72. M square is equal to 72 divided by 2 is 36. So m square is equal to 36. M is equal to root of 36 is 6. So standard deviation is equal to root of m. So standard deviation is equal to root of 6. standard deviation is equal to 6 root 2.449. Your standard deviation is 2.449. 449. This is about how to do 3 into e to the power of m to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial, e to the power of m to the power of 4 divided by 4 factorial. I cancel e to the power of e to the power of m square left over. So here 3 divided by 2 into m square divided by 4, then cross multiply here now. 2m square is equal to 72, m square is equal to 36, m is equal to root of 36 is here now root of 36 is 6. So standard deviation is equal to root of m, root of 6 is 2.449. 5 marks for this. Then we'll go to a last problem. This is for 10 marks. This is for 10 marks. So how to find out the mean? What's the mean? What's the mean is equal to sigma fx over n is called mean. Mean sigma, what's called, this is sigma fx means multiply f into x. So your x value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your frequency 40, 35, 15, 6, 4. The steps to be followed. First steps to be followed here. First add the frequency, multiplied f into x, apply mean is equal to fx over n you have to apply. Here, first add the frequency. 40 plus 35 plus 15 plus 6 plus 4, 100. Sigma f is 100. You call them as n is equal to 100. Then fx. So 40 into 0 is 0. 35 ones are 35. 15 twos are 30. 6 threes are 18. 4 fours are 16. F into x. Add the figure. 35 plus 30 plus 18 plus 16. 99. Sigma fx. 99. So, mean is equal to sigma fx over n. So, what is sigma fx? 99 divided by 100, 0.99. So, e to the power of m is e to the power of minus 0.99 is equal to 0.3716. This is a value. Now, we have to substitute when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to. That's called statistical equation. How it goes, I'll tell you. When x is equal to 0, n into e to the power of minus m, n into e to the power of m. What is your n? 100 into e to the power of 0.99, that is 100 into 0.3716. 100, rotation system I will explain. 100 into 0.3716, 37.16. First step, when x is equal to 1, m divided by 1 into x of 0, that value. What's your m? You calculate the m is how much? 99. You can write 0.99 divided by 1. What is your x of 0? 37.16. So 37.16 into 0.99. 36, I will repeat, 37.16 into 0.99. 36.79 or 70. When x is equal to 2, when x is equal to m divided by 2 into x is equal to 1. M is 0.99 divided by 2. What is x of 1? 36.79. So 0.99 into 36.79 divided by 2. 18.21. I will repeat. 0.99 into 36.79 divided by 2. 18.21. Then, when x is equal to 3, m divided by 3 into x of 2. 0.99 divided by 3 into 18.21. 0.99 into 18.21 divided by 3. 6.009. When x is equal to 4, when x is equal to 4, m divided by 4 into x of 3. 0.99 divided by 4 into 6.0093. 0.99 into 6.0093 divided by 4. 1.487. So 4 values. 37.16 plus 36.79 plus 18.21 plus 6.0093 plus 1.49. 99.69, almost 100. 6593, say 100. Say 100. Round figure. We can make the round figure here. So, how to write? Given values. First one, x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Given frequency 40, 35, 15, 6, 4. Expected frequency expected frequency 37.16, you can say 37, 36.99, you can say 37, 18.21, 18, 6.6, round up, 31.49, 37 plus 37 plus 18 plus 6, 98, last one 1.49, you can say as 2. Totally 100. So this way you have to do. So what are the steps to do? Here, no. What are the first steps to follow? First, you write the x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 frequency, you write. Add the frequency first step, multiplied by f, fx, sigma fx, apply mean is equal to sigma fx over n, 99.100 is 0.99, e to the power of m means this is your 0.99 is the given value is 0.3716 as per the table. This is as per the table. We'll go with when x is equal to 0, n into e to the power of minus m, 100 into e to the power of 0.37, 37.1 rotation system. When x is equal to 1, m divided by 1 x of 0, m is 0.99 divided by 1 is 37.16, 36.79. When x is equal to 2, m divided by 2 x of 1, 0.99 divided by 2 into this figure. This figure. 18.21. When x is equal to 3, m divided by 3 into x of 2.99 divided by 2 of this figure. When x is equal to 4, m divided by 4 of x of 3, 0.99, this figure. This is the last figure. This is expected frequency. Given frequency 40 become 35, 35 become 18. Instead of 1.49, it took us 2 to make it equal to 100. Hope you understand. Very easy to solve the problem. Very easy problem now. Even the first two problems are easy. Here also. This you can go with PD into 3, P to 2 into P4, that is left over. 3 into e to the power of minus m, m to the power of 2 factor, P to the power of 4 means e to the power of 4, m to the power of 4 divided by 4 factorial. I cancel e to the power of m, e to the power m square, m square. This is 3 divided by 2 into m square divided by 4 factorial. 3 divided by 2 is 24. 24 3s are 72. M square, 2m square. This is 2m square. M square, 2m square is equal to 72. M square is equal to 36. M square is equal to 36. M is equal to root of 36 is 6. So standard deviation is equal to root of mean. Root of mean here. Here m. Root of 6 here will come 2.449. Regarding the other problems, so 100 such one defective box, one we have taken. Totally how many boxes are there? 100 boxes. We can have defective how many boxes? 7 boxes. Second one, at least 2. Not more than 2 means, at least 2 means you have to come back. 1 minus p of 0, p of 1, e to the power of m, m to the power of 0, divided by 0 factorial, e to the power of m, m to the power of m, 1 factorial, e to the power, your mean is 4, e to the power of minus 4, 4 to the power of 0, e to the power of minus 4, 4 to the power of 1 factorial. So anything to the power of 0 is 1, 4 to the power of 1 is 5. 5 into your value e to the power of 5 is 90 here, no. What's the value of e to the 0.0183 into 5? 1.085. How many boxes are there? 100 is 90.85. We can say 91 boxes. Same thing you have done for this first one. But first one is here, no. First one. At the most, not at the most. Here, not at the least. At the most means you have to take 0, 1, 2. That's all. P of 0, P of. If it is at the least means 1 means P of 0, P of 1 only. At the least 2 means P of 1, 1 means P of 0, P of 1. At the most, not more than 2 means don't take 1 minus. This is 0, 1, 2, you have to apply. This is a formula you are going to apply. Hope you understand. All type of problem you have solved. This will come. This is important. This is important. This will come from the examination point of view. This will be repeated questions. Hope you understand. We have solved 3 regular problem. 1, fit a binomial distribution. Fit a Poisson distribution also done. We have got 4 problems. All the 4 problems are very important. We'll have some more problem in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.